Hey Rex, so we're on day 2 of pulling this 1975 DT175 down. Got the tank off and cleaned it with vinegar. The seat is off, that's going to get redone. These are the tires we're putting on it. We pulled the carburetor off. Got a new boot coming for that. Everything that so far has come apart smooth. And here is the carburetor. Since we had it running, there's some gas in it which should help pull it apart. It's the original Mikuni. Alright, let's check this thing out.
That sucks.
What's that?
This gasket here is unavailable.
Yeah, through them, but we can find it somewhere.
I was just like, wait, that's one more thing I need to
Oh,
do.
that much rust came off it just from...
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
The inside still has a little in it, but the outside really...
These bolts are coming out too easy.
I'll put them in. They didn't leak. I didn't want to over tighten.
Yeah. Knock that pin out. It looks like it's already kind of coming out. Oh yeah. Here's your needle. Oh, it's moving.
Yep.
Cool. Got the carburetor fully pulled apart. No gas in the floats. Pin came out, needles came out, seat came out. Even that works for the fuel. Got the main jet and the pilot jet soaking in some gas. Got the bowl soaking in some gas. Rex is having a good time. Okay, so we're putting the slide back in. There it goes. Nice. And then we're going to put this guy in. And we're going to run it on some 40-to-1 premix just as a test. We're not even too worried about the oil pump. In fact, this will be a good test to see if it's pumping oil. Hey, we can test your oil pump by leaving the line off and running it since we're putting premix in there.
Yeah.
So we can check that out.
I know it's working.
Okay. Rebuilt carburetor, let's see. It's okay.
Maybe unchoked it too soon.
It's idling though. How's that oil pump? Oil pump's working. I'm gonna take it off choke. Little adjustment.